Hey you guys, how are you guys doing? Today I have a very special video for you guys. This is get ready with me, kind of for a special day. It is for my birthday and we're gonna go out tonight. We did not go anywhere this year. We usually travel around my birthday just because of the times we're in, and it's better for us to just stay home because we do live around people who could be high risk. So we decided to stay home and not travel around this time. Not that we have a lot of options to travel anyways. And so I thought I should create a get ready with me kind of video, and I hope you guys will like it. Guys, so this is what the final look is. I went ahead and changed my outfit, although my nails are not really going with my top, but I really like this contrast for some reason. So I went ahead and filled in my brows, put some lashes on, and I'm using these full body lashes. I really like these lashes. They are like something I like on myself. I don't like cat eye. I don't like those spaced out ones as much, but I like those fuller looking open eye kind of lashes, and I absolutely love these. I lined my lips with the MAC lip liner called Spice, and I filled my lips with the MAC lipstick called Velvet Teddy. I feel Velvet Teddy is a really good nude tone color for Indian skin tone, or skin tone kind of like mine, and I love it. I hope you guys like the video, and I hope I'll have fun tonight, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!